I'm Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to stretch gradients across shapes in Illustrator. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to File, Document Color Mode, and make sure that your color mode is RGB color and not CMYK, because CMYK will give you some gray colors and it will be very disappointing for you. So you go to the Shape tool right here, and you can really pick any shape you want. I really love the star, so I'm going to do that. And you want to push Shift if you want like a perfectly shaped star. You can do, all sorts of weird things, but this is kind of the ideal star. And the cool thing about the star tool is when you're dragging like this, you can push the up arrow and it'll add another little triangle, and it'll continue to add triangles if you want all sorts of different star shapes. Just a little fun tidbit for you there. And so you can, if you want the same size star, you can just push Option and you click it and drag, and it'll literally make an exact copy of it. And if you want a bigger star, you can just make a bigger star. And it really doesn't matter where your shapes are, but if you want it to be stretched across like a certain path, then you're going to want to put them in a line of some sort. And so what you do after that is you use the black arrow tool here, and you right click, or you can do control click, whichever is more preferable to you. And you click Make Compound Path. Now what this does is it allows the color to stretch across these 5 stars. So then what you can do is click the gradient tool, and already you can see you've got this gradient across these stars. So on the right side here, there's going to be the gradient panel, and on the bottom left corner is the starting color, so I'm going to pick a blue. And on the right is your ending color, and I'm going to pick yellow or orangey yellow. And now we've got a nice little set of orange-yellow stars, and that is how you stretch a gradient across a series of shapes. My name's Alex, and thank you very much.